Well, Jack Ma really had a message for G20 leaders, and that is that we need more globalization, not less. The founder of Alibaba is chairing discussions here with hundreds of businesses around the G20 Summit. The summit, of course, is going to be focusing on a whole host of issues. It's really coming at a challenging time for the global economy, and one of the issues that's likely going to be on the agenda is the running high anti-trade sentiment. Now, Jack Ma said that he is going to put forth a proposal, which is called the Electronic World Trade Platform, and it's an online exchange to help promote global trade, especially for smaller companies. This is what he had to say about the EWTP.
We have to improve the globalization. Now this period is called the growing pain of globalization. The last 20 years, the globalization was helping big companies, developed nations. So if we can figure out a way to help small business, helping young people to globalize, that's something we came up with the idea called EWTP.
And Ma is a major proponent of free trade. He said that he's been promoting this idea to 30 countries, though he said that this G20 is really going to be the start of it all. He also said that he's been speaking with the Chinese government to try to make sure that the Chinese government is on board. As you guys know, we've been reporting this for quite some time, that many companies within the international community here in China have been complaining or concerned about what they see as rising protectionism by China and a push forth for local champions. Jack Ma, though, said that he wasn't too concerned about the anti-China rhetoric around the U.S. campaign.
I'm 52 years old now. I've seen a lot of American presidential elections, and every time before the elections, they're always anti-China. It's many years ago anti-Soviet Union, now anti-China, and then that. Well, we understand that's election, right? And I think after election, people will calm down. Trade is a trade. Business is a business. World economy, society, we have to balance. I don't worry about it. I think after election, people back to their sense, and they will start to do it.
But that perception of a rise in protectionism within China has been a reason, guys, why China has become such a punching bag within the U.S. presidential election. Guys?
Yeah, China sort of sharing that platform with other countries this year. Eunice, this sounded like statesman Jack Ma talking about G20, talking about big sort of issues. Did you talk at all about the business? I'm just looking at the stock price of Alibaba trading near highs. It's really gotten some momentum lately on the back of some good quarters.
Yeah, we did. We talked also about the business, and he was really looking forward for Alibaba, saying that I asked him really about some of the changes in the reporting, which I thought was pretty interesting because the company, as you guys know, has been moving away from relying on gross merchandise volume, which is really a gauge for the health of an e-commerce business, and towards reporting for different segments. And he said that the focus of the company going forward really is cloud computing, entertainment, some of their more innovative initiatives as well. So he said that they made those changes so that investors in the United States would be able to better understand the company's business and where they are positioning themselves for the future.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the eye right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.